As you are likely aware, there's multiple different versions of lunges and challenges you can do with a lunge exercise. This is one of my favorites. This is a good example of how you can challenge frontal plane, transverse plane, and make the lunge more challenging. We have a cable column that's pulling across, and you can see he's struggling because we have enough weight on there that he has to really challenge himself to maintain and hold that position. From a position like this is what's happening is he's constantly getting pulled across this way, and as he's moving, it's challenging him in different directions. To understand and appreciate how we utilize exercises like this across the continuum of various athletes and patients in pain and without pain, check out our courses on rehablearningcenter.com. Take care.